struck on one side, predominance of injury on one side, opposite side receives injury as person falls on a road. This is the picture. Okay. Pressure impact, red and secondary injuries, low inside impact with the victim bending down. Secondary impact absent in this case of victim bending at low level. Next is struck on a front corner of ear. Front corner of car. Knocked diagonally out of the path of the car, may be run over by other car coming from behind, but not by the same car. Pedestrian walks into the side of a moving vehicle. Injury on a side or a front of face, chest and arms. Abrasions, glancing abrasions, patterned abrasion, pressure abrasion. Lacerations, crushing laceration, tear due to protruding object. Example, door handles cut from broken glasses. Fracture rib fracture. With or without fractures of laceration of lung due to impact over the sides. Abdominal injuries, injury to the diaphragm, spleen and liver due to impact on the loins. Thank you.